Hello, my name is Shraddha Agarwal. I am mother of Adit and Arna Agarwal. So I am associated with Sciknowtech since 4 to 5 years. What I like about Sciknowtech is we believe that education is not about just getting good marks or just learning good things. Education is all about knowledge. When you are fundamentally strong, when you're rooted with your fundamentals, then sky's the limit. You can fly. So whatever my children learned here and whatever the mentor, Megha ma'am, she taught children that science is all about learning from the book. It's all about applying what you learn, which is most important in the life. अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन वीक होगा तो आप इतना ऊपर तक बिल्ड नहीं कर पाओगे. So they are here to build some higher buildings, but their foundation is very, very strong. So when they are like a sponge. Whatever you give, they will absorb. So they are giving experience here. They are not just giving whatever there in the book. They are the pioneer of making children for the amazing education, what amazing knowledge they are getting here. So I'm so glad to be here with them, and all the best and congratulations for whatever you are doing. Thank you so much.